What's going on, man? It's your boy Major Vernon J, aka Mr. Money Man, aka I do real estate, aka I'm an entrepreneur. Man, I got my package in the mail, man. Want to flip it around and show it to y'all. It actually came from the uh the My Jewelers Club uh product. So I just opened the package, and this is one of the trade lines that gives you the $5,000 um, trade line, reporting trade line, primary trade line. So, and it's a website. They have a bunch of different products on there. So I just picked I honestly can't even remember. I know it was like 100 and some bucks. I think I did the video. Y'all seen it. So I just got the product in. This is it. Haven't even opened it, looked at it yet. So just want to, give a review as to the type of jewelry or whatever, the quality of whatever it is. Wow. Okay. So, I mean, I understand that it is it's a trade line, so it's definitely um utilizing it for a reason, but just to kind of give you an idea of the quality of what you're going to be buying. So these are pretty much, I think, 110 bucks or something like that. Um, I guess it was white gold, some little heart hoop earrings. But you can see it, maybe you can see the quality a little better. I mean, it's 100 bucks. So just don't expect, such, dynamic quality, but we're using this for a reason. So don't too much get caught up in the actual product. Pick something that you like, and you know, stick to the plan of why you even signed up in the first place, and that is to build good primary trade lines with a decent limit to get that score up to 750. So stay tuned, man. Just want to give y'all that quick little viewing. It's your boy. Peace out.